Congratulations on buying your very own Add to Cart Redirect to Affiliate Link extension. You are only a few steps away from getting your site up and running with the ability to input affiliate and external links. Installing this extension is very easy and only takes about 2 minutes to set it up properly. Please follow the steps as presented to ensure a successful setup. After purchasing and downloading the extension to your computer, unzip the contents of the zip file. FTP or upload the admin, catalog, and VQ mod directories to your website's root directory. If asked to overwrite files, choose Yes. Log into the backend using your admin username and password. Go to Extensions-Installer and click on the blue Upload button located at the top right corner of the page. Locate where you unzip the zip file and select the A2C redirect.ocmod.zip file found in the extension directory. After upload has completed, the extension will appear under Installed Extensions on the same. Click on the green button located under Action to install the extension. Go to System-Users-User Groups and click the blue Edit button for Administrator. Under the Permissions section, ensure that both boxes are ticked for Extension/Redirect. Under the Extension section, ensure that both boxes are ticked for Extension/A2C Redirect/Redirect/Redirect. Click the blue Save button at the top of the User Groups page. Go to Extensions and select Add to Cart Redirect 1 from the Choose the Extension Type drop-down box. Scroll down a little and you will see a Add to Cart Redirect heading with redirect name Add to Cart Redirect and status disabled. Click on the green button located under Action to install the extension. Click the blue Edit button and click on the gray status switch to enable the extension. The switch will turn blue. Then click the blue Save button at the top of the page. Then click the arrow button beside the Save button to go back to the Extensions page. You will now see the extension as enabled. Installation is now complete.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell.